Hi, this is Devraj from Shure. With a history of audio innovation spanning for 98 years, Shure has turned a passion for making great microphones and audio electronics into an obsession. Shure continues to set the worldwide industry standard for superior, robust, and simple to adopt audio technology. Continuing on this journey of making world-class products, we are happy to present to you the MXW neXt, a new generation of an all-in-one digital wireless microphone system. The MXW neXt brings to you a first-of-its-kind hybrid package, the apxD2. A combined receiver, charging station, and onboard IntelliMix Room DSP for premium speech capture and sound reinforcement. Another industry-first innovation from Shure. The apxD2 can work with three types of transmitters: a handheld, a body pack, and a boundary. The apxD2 also supports dual RJ45 ports, Dante inputs and outputs, as well as audio over USB-C and analog interface. Minimized hardware and automatic frequency management means that the MXW neXt is up and running in minutes. With the built-in Shure IntelliMix DSP, you can easily toggle between presenter, conferencing, and direct modes for instant configuration. The MXW neXt is designed for hybrid presentation and lecture spaces, whether it is government buildings, corporate training rooms, or higher education classrooms. It can also integrate with your existing Dante-based or analog audio ecosystem. The standalone nature of this system also makes it a natural choice for temporary deployments in hotels and convention centers. So that was the new MXW neXt wireless audio system. All in one, job done. For more information, please visit our website, follow our social media channels, or simply write to us. Thank you very much for your time. I'll see you again soon. Goodbye.